You can create your dream girlfriend in your sleep. You do not need to create a Tinder account. You do not need to go and cold approach. You do not need to learn any dating tricks and psychology tricks. You just need to understand the secret of sleep. Because in sleep, you are actually creating your personal reality. Because in sleep, you have the door to your subconscious mind. And if you can impress a message where you are already living your wonderful life with a beautiful girlfriend, then your subconscious mind takes this program and it is going to create this program out into your visible world. Your subconscious mind is very impersonal. It just takes the program and out pictures into your visible world. It doesn't matter if you're impressing a bad program where you are faced with terrible circumstances, or you're impressing a message where you're living your best life with the girl that you absolutely desire. It will get outpictured into your reality. So, I want you to do this before sleep tonight. Just relax your body completely, lay down on your back, close your eyes, relax, and start to create an imaginal act that you are already holding this beautiful girl in your arms. Start to imagine that she has beautiful long hair. Start to imagine the body proportions that you desire in a girl. Start to see that her beautiful eyes are dilated, pupils are dilated because she is so attracted to you. Start to visualize that she is complimenting you, saying things like, wow, you're so amazing. Start to visualize that this beautiful girl, that this dream girl of yours is doing things for you, is actually so in love with you that she is doing so many wonderful things for you and making your life easier. If you mentally rehearse this imaginal act over and over again, you're going to feel the feelings of accomplishment or joy or satisfaction. And if you can maintain these elevated emotions for a certain period of time, you're going to impress this message, this imaginal act into your subconscious mind. And sleep will create this imaginal act into your objective world. Because your objective world, your physical, visible reality, is just an extension of your own mental content. This is the reason why yogis call our visible reality as Maya. Maya means illusion or a magical lie. I understood this spiritual principle during COVID lockdown. When I was 19, I was into game, I was into pickup, and I thought all these dating tricks, psychology tricks, outer game techniques helped me to get my first intimate relationship. But during COVID, as I started to suffer from anxiety and panic attacks, I had to turn inwards, I had to meditate. That's when I realized outer game, dating tricks, psychology tricks never really worked. It was my vivid imagination and feelings that I had while reading a book called Sex God Method that actually created this intimate relationship in my visible world. So I just gave you a technique where you can make your imagination and feelings so powerful that you become a magnet for your dream girl. Because when you sleep during as you go to bed at night and you start to relax, you open the door to subconscious and you just impregnate your subconscious with this imagination, with this vivid imagination plus feelings. And then you do not have to text anyone, you do not have to create a Tinder account. Whatever you have imagined will find you because you have already felt the feelings of joy, the feelings of accomplishment from the imaginal act. This imaginal act must get outpictured. This is a law. So if you want one-on-one personalized coaching from me, where I will help you develop a very solid imagination, attention, emotion, so that you can completely disregard these outer game techniques, pickup techniques, game techniques, and develop a very true confidence with women, then message me on my Gmail or my WhatsApp, which are linked in the description box down below and the pinned comment section down below. Now, the reason why I say that you need to have a solid attention is because a normal human being cannot hold his attention on the desired imagination. His attention has a very monkey-like nature. It goes to past traumatic event, or it starts to anticipate a scenario where the girl that you desire is rejecting you or slapping you in the face. A normal human being also cannot sustain elevated emotions for a long period of time because he has practiced feeling unworthy, bored, negative emotions for so long that it is difficult for him to feel these elevated emotions of joy, accomplishment, gratitude, and just satisfaction. So join my coaching and I will help you develop all these faculties of your brain and your body so that you develop a true confidence with women. Subscribe and I will see you in the next video.